Becky. I'm from the Jump Foundation. This is my colleague Ice and Amorose. We're here on campus and we're doing two things with the school this week. One is we've been invited to support the admin at the school and the leadership at the school to reimagine and redefine what student leadership looks like inside the classroom to outside the classroom in extracurricular spaces as well. Today we've just run focus groups with middle school, high school, senior management team, parents and teachers to hear a little bit more about some of the stories and experiences that they have relating to student leadership and looking at what the school does really well already and some areas that they could improve. So a couple of the things that we've talked about have been around better defining responsibilities for student leaders at the school. We've talked about respect and what does it mean to respect a student leader.
Ice and Amorose. We are from Jump Foundation Student Leadership Training. So in the past 3 days, the day one, we are focusing on more of like the personal leadership. The second day, they work as a community and learn about different style of leaders and how can they actually do that in the bigger group. And then on day three, today, actually, they are taking their leadership action forward. They are planning more of like the ideas and how can they success and what are some points that they could fail in coming up with the projects that can serve the community better. And personally, I feel like they rocked it and they actually very engaged. The students are so nice and so smart. And any reflection from you, Omo?
Like you said, yeah, they're such great students. I felt like from the beginning, we saw very energetic, competitive, and very spirited students. And then after the 3 days, we kind of refined them to kind of put their energies in the right direction. Mm-hmm. And I felt like everyone was very engaged and really wanted to be there. And I think that at the end of the day, they got what they wanted. And I think we got what we wanted. Mm-hmm. And we're really excited to see how the students move forward with the plans that we've discussed.